Are you looking for a smart, accurate, and easy-to-use multimeter? Today, I'm showing you this 4,000 count rechargeable auto-ranging digital multimeter, a perfect tool for electricians, technicians, and DIY users. This multimeter comes with a 3.19-inch color LCD display, making readings clear and easy to see, even in low light. It supports auto-ranging, so you don't need to manually select ranges, just connect and measure. It can measure AC and DC voltage, resistance, and more with high accuracy. One standout feature is non-contact voltage (NCV) detection, which helps you detect live wires without touching them, safe and convenient. There's also a live wire test, perfect for quick electrical checks. No more changing batteries. This multimeter is rechargeable, saving time and money. Its compact and modern design makes it comfortable to hold and easy to carry anywhere. Whether you're a professional electrician, electronics repair expert, or a home DIY enthusiast, this multimeter is built for you. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. If you want to buy this product, click on the link given in the description of the video.